Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Suzuki Hayabusa 1300cc hypersport. This is the one you've been waiting for. One owner, less than 5,000 miles. Gorgeous dark metallic blue. It's got the smoked Hayabusa windscreen. It's got Healy bars to make it a little more comfortable. Gel seat, tank bra, fender eliminator. Comes with the rear passenger seat as well as the standard hump. It's got spools on the rear swing arm so you can adjust your chain. Brand new tires. Brand new battery. This bike is in fantastic condition. Price to sell only $69.90. This one will not last. Come by, make your hypersport dreams come true. This gorgeous 08 Busa. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.